Okay, students, we are starting with yesterday we finished the question right here. I'm starting from Ibrahim. I will take your question later on. We are starting from part number 5. In this part, we will learn that wait first. I hope that you can see this page. I want to write it and then I will continue. We were working with exercise 4.3 and question number 2. It's part number 5. So it was 21 under root 7, under root 3, like this one. And I told you yesterday that we will break these numbers as multiples of prime numbers. So you will write 21 as 7 into 3. Both are the prime numbers. 7 as it is. And under root 3, like this one. And then what we will do, we will separate under root 7 and under root 3 like this one. So obviously all these are being multiplied. So what will you do? That you will pair up these two terms. Under root 7 square, under root 3 square, we were asked to simplify these surds. So 7 square and square root will be cancelled. You will get 7 only and this will become 3. So it is 7 into 3, that is 21. It is 21. Yes, Fareen, apna mic on करें. Ask the question.
Sir, I have a question.
Bit louder, bit louder.
Sir,
Yes.
I had a question.
Yes.
It's unrelated to what we are studying today. So I will ask it when you stop recording because वो फिर recording में add हो जाएगा.
Wait for a second. Wait for a second. Next question is about question number 3. It is question number 3. And these type of questions I feel are relatively more important as compared to the rest of earlier questions. We have these. This is actually the sum or the difference of surds. If by topic wise I want to write it, it is actually topic wise it is sum or difference of surds. The basic technique is same, that we have to break these numbers into multiples of prime numbers. Like 49, 45 can be written as 3 3s are 9 and 9 5s are 45. So 45 is actually converted into 3 3s are and 5 times. Similarly, 20 will be written as 20 into 2 into 2, that will become 4, and 4 into 5, prime number multiples. Similarly, 4 times under root 5 will remain as it is because 5 is already a prime number. Then what we will do, you will simplify this expression. 3 square times 5 under root minus 3 times 2 square times 5 and 4 times under root 5. Now, once you will simplify it, square and square root will cancel. You will get 3 times under root 5, and 3 will be as it is. 2 square and square root will cancel. It will become 2 only, and under root 5 will be it will remain inside the square root sign, plus 4 times under root 5. So 3 times under root 5, 6 times under root 5, and 4 times under root 5. Now this is a step which I want to explain you, and you have to see what is common in all these three terms. Under root 5 is common, so we will take out under root 5 as common, means simply take out under root 5 as common. So it will become 3 minus 6 plus 4. 3 from the first term, right here, 6 from here, and 4 from here. And then simplify the bracket. So this is 3 and 4, 7 minus 6, it will become 1. So under root 5, and you will get 1 inside the bracket. So final answer will be under root 5. It is the answer of the question. It was question number 3 and it's part number 1. Same sort of question, if we take another part which contains about 4 terms. Okay, next question is, four times under root 12 plus 5 times under root 27, 3 times under root 75 plus 300 radicals. So this time there are the 4 terms, but the concept is very simple. That what will you do? That you will transform the numbers inside radical signs as prime numbers. So it will be written as 3 times 2 into 2 multiples of prime numbers. Similarly, 5 times 27 means 3 threes are and 3 times. 75 will be written as 3 times 5 fives are. And 300 will be written as 3 times 100, and 100 will be broken down like 2 into 2 into 5 into 5, like this. So what I have done, that I have transformed all the numbers in the radical sign in prime factors. Wait for a second. So we will start the simplification. 4 times 3 and 2 square with under root sign, like this one. First term. Second should be written as 3 square times 3 and 5 is outside. Its third term will be written as its third term is written as 3 times 3 and 5 square, and from the last term we will get 3 times 2 square and 5 square. These are the multiples. Now the squares and squares root will be cancelled, so we will get 4 times under root 3 will be as it is. So you will get this square and square root will be cancelled. You will get 2 out of the square root. It will become 2. 5 and this square root will cancel. You will get 1, 3 outside the radical sign. This is 3. And the third term will be 3 times 1 square root will be cancelled and 5 will be outside the radical sign. This is 3. And the fourth term will be 2 and 5 will be outside, and under root 3 is the radical sign. Now if you will simplify, 4 times 2 will become 8. 4 times 2 will become 8 under root 3 plus 15 times under root 3, again 15 times under root 3 next term, and 10 times under root 3. Now for this you will see that you can cancel out these two terms, one positive, one negative. And what is left? 8 times under root 3, 10 times under root 3. Now, as I told you earlier, that what we have to do, that we have to see what is common. What is common? So under root 3 will be taken out as common part. Right? Take out under root 3 as common. So we will get 8 plus 10. And answer will be 18 times under root 3. So it is the answer of the question. Okay, I have explained you the question. So please students ask from anything from the beginning. The basic concept is same as I told you yesterday we were working with. That was breaking a radical sign into prime factors, then simplification will be done. So prime numbers, like in this question, you can see that in the very first part what I have done, that I have broken 12 as prime factors 3, 2, 2, and 27 is then written as 3 times 27. And 300 is broken or converted into the prime factors, like 300 is written as 3 times 2. The primarily what we have to do, that we have to break up 300 into prime numbers. So primarily this is the objective which you can do it. In the second last step, we can only take under root 3 common. Nothing else can be taken out as common. So if someone is asking, if you look at the procedure, what I have done, that we have gone through step by step, like in uh, once we have converted these numbers into prime factors, then I have collected them the same powers, and because there is a square root sign over it, so I have preferred to take the squares anywhere where is possible. Yeah, obviously if we will write this 27 as 3 cube, technically it will not be wrong, but it will not be workable further. So you have to keep it in your mind that this 3 should be a square of the number, fine, and keep the terms whenever it is possible as squares, because square and square root will be cancelled and the terms will be simplified in this way. And then In the next step, once the squares have been arranged, then the terms which contain square and their square roots will cancel their effect, and those terms will be out of the radical sign. So from the first one, there's 2 and square root will cancel, so you will get only 4 times 2, and under root 3 will be there. Square and square root will cancel from the second term, 3 will be there, and so on. And then once it will be rearranged or multiplied, you will get two such terms which have same terms but opposite signs, so both of these terms will be cancelled. So remaining two terms, 8 times under root 3 and 10 times under root 3, there are the two terms. So keep it in your mind that you have to take out radical sign common, right? If you will not take radical sign common, the question will not be easy for you to simplify. So always prefer to take under root sign or radical sign or surd common, then it will be easy for you. 8 is from here and 10 is from here. So I hope you will understand the question. The meeting will be cancelled or ended after 7 minutes about, and then we will reconnect. I can take your class maximum up to 12:10. Today I have another class at 12:20 with grade 10. Next question. Let's see another part from this is part number 4 of same question. It is about 2 times 6 into under root 5 minus 3 times under root 5. It is a question. So what we have to do, again, I told you earlier that you have to see that if there is a possibility of taking up something common. So under root 5 can be taken as common. So take it out. It will be 6 from here and 3 from this term, right? So keep 2 outside and under root 5 as it is. 6 minus 3 will give you 3 only. Now this 2 and 3, it will be multiplied together and it will become 6 times under root 5. So this is the answer of the question. Mostly the questions relevant to exercise 4.3, those are from obviously for the short questions, right? Normally exercise 4.2, 4.4 are considered for the lengthy parts. Next question. This is from question number 4. And from the first part, that is written as 3 plus under root 3 and 3 minus under root 3, like this. So you will use the formula 8 plus b times a minus b, that is usually known as difference of scale form. It is a form. So if you take 3 in place of a and under root 3 in place of b, then by using this algebraic formula that we have already learned in previous exercise 4.2. So you will see that it will become 3 square minus under root 3 times whole square. So 3 square will become 9 and square root will cancel, you will get only 3. So answer will be 9 minus 3, that is equal to 6. This is the answer of the question. So this is in this question we will see that we will be applying different algebraic formula to simplify the expressions. So it is the answer of the question. So one more question. Second part, this is written as 5 under root 3 and then its expansion. And you can see that the expansion will be for with respect to this one. That is a square b square plus 2 times. So if you take a as under root 5 and b as under root 3 and you use this formula, this one, this is as formula, then what will you get? First term square, second term square, 2 times first term and second term as well. So 5 plus 3 plus 2 times under root 15. 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 2 times under root 15. So it is the answer of the question. Okay, ask me anything from the question number 1, question number 4, part number 1, 2, or the questions which we have just performed on this page. If you want to ask anything, I can answer you. These are the
Sir,
easiest one.
the answer
Yes,
8 plus 2 under
please.
root
Can you speak a
15.
bit louder, bit?
Why can't we write this? Sir, I'm saying that instead of writing 8 plus 2 under root 15, why don't we write 10 under root 15?
This is from this question. But this is for part number 2, which is
Yes,
what we should write. Can you tell me 2 plus 3? This one?
yes, the last one,
Okay,
sir.
I got your point. You are saying that why we are not
No,
writing
sir, the
5 times
last
under root
one.
15?
Answer.
Okay, listen, you have to keep it in your mind that we have expanded
No,
the,
I'm saying why can't we add 8 plus 2
yes,
and then write 10? Sir, I'm saying that why can't we
uh,
add 8 plus 2 and write 10? 10 under
okay,
root 15.
we cannot add 8 and 2 because listen, first we have to see that 5 and 3 will be added together, it will become 8. But this is 2 times under root 15. This is not only single term which contain 2. So you cannot add 8 and 2. They cannot be added anyway, fine, because they are the different terms. They are not similar terms. They can't be added or subtracted. Listen, because 2 times under root 15 is a complete term. If there is no 15 under root with it, a radical sign, then you can make 8 plus 2 makes it would become 10. So you cannot add 8 and 2. Similarly, you cannot add 3 and 2 as well. Both of these numbers can also, these two numbers cannot be added. So you have to see that this is a different sort of term which contains 2 times under root 15. It is not a single term 2 like this one. Fine. Is it clear now? Yes, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. I am disconnecting right now and then we will reconnect it in a moment. And all of you, there are 23 participants, so I hope there will be at least 23 as well. No one will go.